So, car. Undercover. It's the tinted windows. Our windows are darkly tinted. So I guess that's why they color code in the first instance. That was just see inside F5. Look at their windows outside. It's like tinted like hers, so why would they be stopping her? As I say, not as I do these laws in America. Luckily, she's white. Sorry, I can't. See these police officers are that extra. So whenever you see they're like contacting the public, try it on video if you can, because a lot of people share the shit. And no one is there to see them, because I doubt if anyone else is here like in this incident. Well, it's not really an incident, but this interaction of this motorists. So normalize this right with the police. People they are. She's getting a ticket or citation or whatever. These terrorists are doing nothing to the car. Appellation team. Guys, remember to always video cameras in there. Look at the wheel. You can look at that's a top. Okay?